Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for a classic, high-quality pair of mules, then you are going to love these ones from Tliocow.
Not only are these shoes so comfortable, but they are also just that effortlessly classy, chic look, and I am completely obsessed with these shoes. They go with literally every single outfit, whether you're going to pair them with your workwear, a skirt, even just a pair of skinny jeans or bell bottoms. I think they make the perfect statement piece to go with any outfit. The soles of these shoes are extra super comfortable. They have a latex pad and then another support pad on the inside with this really durable sole, so they are really comfortable to walk in, and a little heel that makes them just a little bit more comfortable than a solidly flat shoe. I have mine in a size 9, and I would say they are 100% true to size. I think they're just the perfect shoe to slip on and head out the door and just bring a little pop to any of your outfits. You are going to love them.
I am so happy I've added these to my wardrobe. I think they are just so fun and super comfortable, and that is my point of view.